Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, I haven't done a voiceover on hair video in a very long time. Anyways, make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any videos. This channel is about beauty and lifestyle. I make beautiful kids hairstyle, and I also share my lifestyle with you guys as a nursing student and as a mom living in Poland. So guys, for today I'm making this very simple hairstyle for Michelle. If you don't know how to cornrow, this is a perfect hairstyle for you. So I sprayed Mimi's hair with water, added some leave-in conditioner and coconut oil, and then I proceeded to make the hair into 3 different parts. Make sure you watch till the end, guys. You're going to see a very beautiful arc in case you don't have the afro bun at home, and just keep watching, guys. I'm sure you enjoy the video.
Just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, were we made to fall? And slowly exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave till empty. Got it all back by myself, now nobody can tempt me. If I turn off alone, I breathe in, sit on my own. Can't keep making exits from the pressure, lessons after lessons. Had to question these glaring design flaws. Can't keep love built from a love song. No, I'm not only with solo and slowly exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open. I gave and 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 I. And if I'm better off alone, I breathe in, embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone, I breathe in, embrace it on my own, on my own. I've had my heart broken, crushed, yet I survived it. Refresh love, I've been reminded that it's all about alignment. Most people break up, most people break up. But even when broke, life's what you make it. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone, I'll breathe in, embrace it on my own, on my own.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting